Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all fine. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a thumbnail using PixelLab. Hope you enjoy the video. Aiming for 20 likes. Please complete it. So, without talking any more and wasting our valuable time, let's start our video. Download the app from the link given in the description. There are lots of ready-made backgrounds in this app. You can use them as your thumbnail backgrounds. In this video, I'll show you how to make a thumbnail on these ready-made backgrounds. And also on custom backgrounds. First of all, I'm going to make a sample thumbnail on ready-made backgrounds of this app. After selecting a background, make its size 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube thumbnail. Then, write your video's title, or subject and class at this part of the image. Dear viewers, I would like to remind you that I'm making a sample thumbnail for you, and just suggesting you to create your thumbnail in this way. It's not that you must create your thumbnail following these steps and the same thumbnail. It may cause a copyright strike to your video. So back to main topic. Take any color you like. But if you take white, then you can follow my steps while making your thumbnail. You can give a texture to your text. For giving a texture, just follow the steps. If you add texture in your text, then it will look like this. You can add any texture you like by selecting the image. If you select white color for your text, then generally it's very hard to see it. But if you add black stroke to it, then it looks good. There are lots of fonts in PixelLab. For your thumbnail, you can take one or more than one of them for each text. Have you heard about Embrose? I think. Add Embrose effect on your text to bring a high quality display of light and shadow. Select the light angle as you like. Also, you can change the intensity of the light. Add shadow effect to make the thumbnail 3D. You can change its blur radius and opacity. Set the position of the shadow as your wish. You can also add 3D rotate in any text to make it HD. Your thumbnail can get a professional look if you add reflection effect to your texts. 3D shadow is not so effective, but you can add this one if you want. If you want to bring a professional flavor to your text, then apply this one must. But apply it reducing its depth. Now import your picture. In this case, I'm using my channel's logo. Remember to adjust the size of the picture. After that, write your name beside your picture. Follow the steps just like the title of the video. Just do the center alignment for your name text box. At the middle of the image, write the lesson's name. You can bend the text so that it takes a different look than other texts. Apply any alignment you like. You can add backgrounds of the texts and pictures like PowerPoint presentation. After adding them, just give a nice color, then they will look good. And yes, don't forget to send them back. Otherwise, because of the shapes, your picture or text may not be seen. Following these steps, you can easily make your thumbnail on ready-made backgrounds. For making thumbnails on custom backgrounds, download any background from internet and import it as the background of the current project. While selecting it, crop it at 16:9 for making it perfect for YouTube thumbnail. The remaining steps are same as the steps while making thumbnails using ready-made backgrounds. Just follow the steps. In case of changing size, you can keep all texts at the same size. Also, you can keep the video title with the largest size and your name with the smallest size. Do whatever you like. You can bold or underline your texts like Microsoft Word document. It's done here. Just press on here to save your thumbnail on your device. For avoiding the same look of your thumbnails, you can change the positions of your image and texts like these. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, leave a comment and press the subscribe button. Please complete the aim of 20 likes. See you in the next video.